Number 1, Arahant, the worthy one. The Buddha is utterly purified, having eradicated all mental defilements and destroyed the spokes of the wheel of rebirth. He is worthy of homage. Number 2, Samma Sambuddho, the perfectly self-enlightened one. The Buddha achieved supreme enlightenment and full comprehension of the Four Noble Truths entirely on his own, without the guidance of a teacher. Number 3, Vijjacharana Sampanno, endowed with knowledge and conduct. The Buddha possesses perfect wisdom, and which includes the 3 knowledges, such as recalling past lives and the divine eye, and perfect ethical conduct. Number 4, Sugato, the well gone or sublime. The Buddha has gone the right way, achieved the supreme bliss of Nibbana, and his path does not lead back to suffering. It also means well spoken. Number 5, Lokavidu, knower of the worlds. The Buddha fully understands all worlds or realms of existence, including the physical and mental worlds, or the various planes of existence, their arising and their cessation. Number 6, Anuttaro Purisadhamma Sarati, the incomparable leader of persons to be tamed. The Buddha is the supreme, unsurpassed trainer of those who are capable of being trained, using various skillful means to guide beings. Number 7, Sattha Devamanussanam, teacher of gods and humans. The Buddha is the supreme teacher for all sentient beings, both divine and human. Number 8, Buddho, the awakened one. This is a general term for the Buddha, meaning he is fully awakened to the ultimate truth, Dhamma, and is able to awaken others. Number 9, Bhagava, the Blessed One. The Buddha is the most fortunate, most sublime, or most excellent being, possessing special powers